Okay, 7.5 day 2. Now we're going to do condensing. I don't know why I put only one rule here, but we learned that on last time. And if they're being multiplied, they turn into plus. If they're being divided, add this on there, they're being subtracted, or they turn into subtraction. Just like that. And then one more is the power rule. So if you have like log base a m to the power of n, turns into n times log base a m. Just like that. So now we're going to be going opposite. We're going to bring them all together. So look at the first example. We have 2 here. We're going to bring them into 1. They're being added, which turns into multiplication. So it's really just ln 3 times x. Okay, here we got 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. They're all being added together, which means they're just become multiplication. Log base 4, w, y, z. Okay, here we got a subtraction. Subtraction goes back to division. So it becomes log, and the negative part goes on the bottom. So x, the positive part, goes on top. And we'll get into that a little bit more later too. These 2 are being added, that one's being subtracted, which means the negative one goes on the bottom of a fraction, z, and the 2 positive ones will go on top. And it's log base 2. Okay, now we got a number out front. I take that number, brings it up to the power, turns into a power of that thing. And they're being subtracted, which means this part goes on the bottom, x squared, y goes on top, just like that. Here's a bigger advanced one. This goes up to a power, this goes up to a power, this goes up to a power. Anything positive goes on top, anything negative goes on the bottom. So we have one negative one. We have x squared, which will be on the bottom. Then we have w3, that was positive, so that goes on top. And y4 also goes on top. Do not make the mistake of putting a plus in here. They're not being added. This addition turns into multiplication. Just like that. Let's go backwards a little bit. Expand this thing. So it becomes log k plus log m minus log n7. And I got to take that and bring it down. So log k plus log m minus 7 log n. Just like that.